So here I'll show the students how to create a PDF from the pictures that they have taken. Most of the students know already. There are plenty of apps like Adobe Scan, like ClearScan. These two are very commonly used apps. But since the students will be running at a shortage of time, we need a very small and lightweight app for creating a PDF. So they can work with ClearScan or Adobe Scan if they want. Adobe Scan requires a lot of time to consume or to convert the PDFs. So basically we'll go to the Google Play Store first. Search for in the search bar IMG to PDF. It's already searched. IMG to PDF option. Click on the search. The first option which comes, image to PDF converter. The icon is a red colored square with PDF written in the center. Since I have already installed this app, what I'll do is I'll click on the open option. Now after I click on the open, the app will open up. Then three options will come at the top right corner. It will show you the list of folders which are present in your phone. Second option will show you the gallery, and the third option will help you sort the pictures or remove the pictures. So for my task, for the simplicity, it's a very lightweight app, 5 or 6 MB space is required. I will choose the second option from the middle or from the left. It's basically the second option in the middle, which will display the gallery. So after I display the gallery, I have already chosen I have already clicked the picture of 3 pages which I have already written. Now the order is very important. If a student wants that, okay, this will be the first picture to be selected, then the first picture selected will come in first in line. If the second picture selected will come second in line, and the third picture selected will come third in line. After I have selected the picture, so if I have chosen the pictures as 1, 2, 3 from right to left, then it will come first picture on the right hand side of the screen will come as first in sequence. The one in middle will come second in sequence, and the one on the left will come third in sequence. After that, I'll click on the option of done. If I have clicked on the option of done, the PDF will be generated. They can there is no option of cropping basically, so that's a disadvantage of it, but that's fine, I guess, no problem with that. Then we'll click on convert to PDF at the bottom. Click on this option, and the PDF option, PDF will be created. Some ads will pop up. Now after the PDF is created, what the students need to do is click on share, and first they need to copy the option in the phone gallery. So if there is a file manager option, so they will copy to the file manager option. Choose any location. Any specific location can be chosen. If I'm choosing this on a specific, say, documents folder, then I will click on paste option. Then the document will already be placed in the specific folder. Now the student has to do is to just rename the file. How to rename the file? Just select the file, click on the more option. They can rename it on their own. Choose rename, give the student name along with their section, and click on OK. So it will be saved with their own name along with their section. Then from here the student can share the file in Google Classroom, or they can choose browse for this from the file gallery itself. But make sure that the students actually write their name and section in the PDF thus generated. If you open this PDF, choose any option, the PDF file will already be created. So that's it. It's an easy one. It's very easy to share. It's very easy to generate. The students can share it accordingly. Thank you everyone.